The blow drying part is the part that is going to give you that straightness that you need so that you don't have to do so many passes with your flat iron. All right. So before I start actually using the brush with my blow drying process, I'll do a rough drying first, especially if the client hasn't gone over the dryer to dry a little bit. So if her hair was a tighter coil, I would be stretching it out a lot more than I am now. But her hair is kind of loose. The curls are kind of loose, so I don't have to stretch it out as much. And stretching it out is going to straighten the hair out some too, so you don't have to do so much blow drying. This right here helps you to work smart and not hard, like I said.
Are you using medium or high?
What'd you say?
Medium or high?
It's on high. It's on high. You can start it out on medium if you want. And once I rough dry it for a couple of minutes, or a couple of seconds, maybe about a minute or so, I'm going to start my blow drying process. But I start at the ends. The same way you detangle, you start at the ends. And you work your way up to the roots once your ends are dry. The next section I'll show you guys how to do with the round brush. This is a straightening comb slash flat iron all mixed in one. And I'm just going to use this for the roots. Get really close to the root and just straighten the root out. Then I'll go in with my regular flat iron and use that on the rest of the hair shaft. And glide your flat iron down the hair shaft using your comb to get that as straight as possible. So that's one way. I'm not going to use that no more because I ain't got time to keep going back and forth. I'm just going to use this. So when I use that small flat iron for the roots, I can actually glide it down the whole hair shaft because this flat iron is good enough to get the whole hair straight. one side is a little bit, not really so much longer, but it just looks really like see-through in these areas right here. And honestly, she needs it to be trimmed up to this point right here, where it's not see-through anymore. That's when it's gonna look fuller.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Place your curling iron over it. Go in, and as you're turning, you are moving the hair at the same time. Okay? Move the hair at the same time. Go around. And as you turn, you're gonna rack the hair with you at the same time.